Okay, something I've waited all year for, and that is I have wanted to give favorite things of mine that I absolutely love. Nothing big, you guys, but just some of my favorite like beauty things like perfumes and bubble baths and my Chanel cotton pads. And so anyway, I'm just going to be randomly choosing people to give away 12 gifts during the first 12 days of December. I have literally thought about this and have been wanting to do this all year, and I have saved these particular items. Most of them were gifts to me that I wanted to save them for you, so I didn't use them because I knew hopefully you would love them. And then a few other things I've purchased on my own. And so on the next video, I'm going to share with you guys what they are, but it is just some of my favorites. Like I said, I just mentioned a few already. And simply all you have to do is just simply leave any comment below on this video and let us stop blabbing. And let's get right into why you logged on. And that is you want to see how you can do a budget makeover inspiration / workout room. And that's exactly what I did. I'm going to walk you through everything I did, where I got it from, and why I chose what I did, because everything I truly feel has a purpose, it has a need, and at the same time it looks good, and I got it at the right price. So that's so important to me, and I truly feel that a space should tell a story. So I didn't do anything different for this space than I did for any other clients. I truly feel a home should tell a story and not just to fill a space or fill a wall or fill a corner just because something's gonna look nice in that corner. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna stop blabbing. Let's get right into the budget makeover inspiration / workout room. All right, let's get started. Subscribe right now below. Before we go any further, I would appreciate it. It so helps me. It lets me know that you like this video. It lets me know that you like the content. And then definitely leave me comments of what you think about the contest already. And not really contest, it's just my way of showing, my appreciation. And I'm just throwing everybody's names in a hat when you leave comments. So I don't really want to call it a contest. I'm going to say it's my give back to you because you've inspired me. So that's what I'm going to call it. And I actually did this room. It is what I call like my workout room, but it's actually another like multi-purpose bedroom. And then this is where my treadmill has been sitting for almost 20 years. And so it just gradually turned into my workout room. I truly feel it has kept up me to be to be consistent with working out. I honestly do. Where before, like I used to dread it, but now I don't dread it. I look forward to it. I actually now get mad if my schedule doesn't allow me to work out first. I'm like, oh, because I really do love coming into the space. And so I could not wait to share it with you guys. And I actually did it on a budget. Some things are designer, some things are not. Some things are high street, some things are not. So, but I'm going to share it with you because I absolutely love them. Okay, I'm done. I'm going to stop talking. Let's get right to it. Okay, first thing I'm going to start with is what I bought for the room first. And that is this cabinet. So I started with this cabinet. I got this from Restoration Hardware, but I got it from the outlet. And it was, I wanted to keep the room still feeling like light, more like my version of a spa, but in a bedroom. And so this is like more like this like off-white antique like yellow color, but I love it because it's made out of leather. I love the glass doors on the front, and the baskets that I got inside are actually from Target, and they all serve a purpose. Like each one is used on a daily basis, so it was not just putting baskets in there. They actually are serving a purpose. And then as you go on top, I got these things from Target. So this beautiful little gray lamp came from Target, to kind of like soften up the corner, give me like, ambient light in the evening. I work out more during the day, but I actually turn this light on every night because I just love the space. I love looking at the room, and it just adds a nice element of, y'all know, lamps are so important when it comes to a space. It gives such a nice, warm, welcoming effect when you have lamps versus overhead lighting. So anyway, so I got this lamp, and then I got this wooden tray, spa-like. I got this from Target as well. And then I love First Flowers. You guys know I say this all the time. if I can, I'm gonna say I have a strong dislike for fake plants. And even if I can't do real flowers or something, I figure out a way to get some type of real plant or flower. It just breathes like life into a space, a positive energy, the air. It just feels so much better. And these pictures for me tell a story. They're not just pictures that I put in the frame. I actually got these frames from Target, perfect size. And then the pictures so the one picture at the top, okay, comment below, what is my favorite city? Although I haven't been all over the world, the places that I've been, y'all, where do I say is like my favorite city? Comment below. What do y'all think it is? I think everybody knows by now. You probably guessed right, it's New York. I absolutely love New York. So this is just a picture section that's in Tribeca, a section that I like to walk through a lot when I'm in New York City. So I'm not gonna cry. The picture below is one of the favorite places that my brother used to visit all the time, and it's a farm, and he just loved walking this farm area. As we go around the room, I have this beautiful oversized mirror. I didn't want to do like the custom mirrors where they just put it on the wall. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to do something like more modern. So I got this really square oversized mirror from Restoration Hardware, but at the outlets. And it's beautiful. You know, it's that modern twist to it still. It's square and oversized. And I love it because it finishes with the gold metal all the way around the side is the frame, and then the gold around the frame of the mirror matches so nicely with the gold handles on the cabinet. So it's just so nice. You know, I just feel like I wanted this room to, you know, be an inspiration. I wanted to be modern. I wanted to be, you know, and feel like luxury, and just things that I absolutely love seeing. So, and as I continue around the room, I added curtains to the room. Yes, it's a workout room, but I wanted still curtains because I wanted to finish off the room. I already had these silhouette shades. And so I thought the curtains were nice. I did get them from the outlets, from Restoration. And I think literally, y'all, I think I paid like $30. I got them so cheap, and they're perfect because, and they do have these, pretty sure they have these on the main site still, and if they do, I'll link them below. But they're a really nice like basket weave, and they're made out of linen. So, you know, so it still gives me like that spa lightweight fabric. They're not lined, they're really sheer, but it's a basket weave instead of like a sheer piece of fabric. And the color was like absolutely perfect. And I got the rod from, I think like from Lowe's. That was like inexpensive. I was gonna put a Restoration Hardware pole up there, but I didn't. I just, you know, once again, mixing the high with the low. So this, I think pretty much, I'm sure it just came from those. I would come in here all the time, and I would have to sit on the floor to put on my sneakers. And then when I get off the treadmill, I'm so tired, I would like plop on the floor to take off my sneakers. And then I'm like, okay, you could use a bench in here when you're decorating. So hence, that's why I got the bench. But I just didn't want any bench. I wanted to, once again, not feel like you know, like a bedroom. I wanted to have like a spa feeling. So I got this wooden bench, and actually I got this, if you're from the Philadelphia area, a lot of people probably heard like this big warehouse called Material Culture. It's very like narrow and long because I didn't want to encroach upon too much of the space in the middle of the floor, because I still wanted to kind of keep open on the floor for me to get on the floor, do exercises, and not anything stop me from doing what I need to do on the floor. So, and then I just added this throw blanket to kind of soften up the long wood bench. So I threw this throw blanket on there. I got that from Restoration. It's just a beautiful linen, like basket weave type of throw, something light. And I got this pillow from Pottery Barn. When I'm on the when I'm on the treadmill, y'all, I have to have the TV on. I'm gonna share with you, you know, I don't think I told you. Okay. Quick intermission. I am on my next video. I'm actually going to share with you what I do in this daggone workout room as my inspiration every morning. So I'm going to share with you what my workout routine is. And then I'm also going to share with you the very next thing I do with the basic like beauty essentials that I do on my face. I'm actually going to do that. And then actually what I'm going to do is I bought something new that I've been using and trying out. I don't know if you can tell the difference or not. I don't know. I've been using it now for a couple of weeks, but it was so daggone expensive. So far it didn't break me out. So I think I like it because it kind of is supposed to be giving me like hydration. The sales associate gave me this beautiful, expensive like gift set, and that's also one of the gifts that I'm going to be giving away, and I'm actually going to be giving it away on the very first video. So I thought I would tie in my routine skincare, my regimen for working out, and then the first 3 gifts this 3 skin will be part of the gifts. But I can't wait to share with you guys what each gift I'm going to be giving away for the first 12 days in December. So anyway, so back to the story. Okay, so then as we go around, you guys see the beautiful bed that blends in with the floor. Got a new bed from Mr. Vegas, so sometimes he comes in and keep me company while I'm on the treadmill. Got this dumbbell like weight holder thing because I needed to hold my sneakers, I needed to hold the weights. I don't have a lot of weights, but for me it was the right size for the space that I wanted it to be. And I got this just strictly from Amazon, and get the weights off the floor, because y'all saw this before and after. Did I show you this before and after? I don't know. Here's the before. The left wall, I don't have anything on this wall intentionally. Yes, I know it probably looks like plain, this big wall, boring. Like, why don't you have something in this wall? Here's the reason why I don't. Is because I or me kind of get distracted or something and lose my footing or something while I'm on a treadmill. So I purposely don't keep anything on my left side. So the only thing that's in my peripheral is my TV. So that's why I do that. So, but anyway, and then the other thing that I want to share with you guys is this particular picture. This is actually, I call it the Journey with Jackie, like inspirational collage, and it's really because of you taking this journey with me. And on this picture is things that are associating with my journey for the last 2.5 years since I started this channel, and it's because of you guys. You've inspired me. So I have pictures of things that I've posted on YouTube, stuff I've posted on Instagram, you know, things that are special to me and my husband, and then you know, a couple people that have inspired me for doing some really major challenges in my life. And so that's what this collage is like all about. When I first had it in my mind, I was like, okay, right, it's my inspiration collage. You know, it's your past for 2.5 years, is your current, and then your future as like a vision board. That's kind of like when in my head, it's kind of how I created it. And it's just for me. Nobody sees this. It's just for me. And then I had it framed. So I had a guy make it for me, make up the collage. And then I took it to my frame guy, and then I had him print it and then frame it like in a floating wood frame. So it's just around the edges, this really nice, you know, modern gray tone wood. And then when I went to pick up the picture, I was like, oh, it's so big. I was like, oh my God, are you being like, what's the word? What's the word below, y'all? I don't know, like, I don't know. I can't think of a word. Like full of yourself, like, you know, like, oh, look at you. And I thought, okay, no, Jackie, that's not why you did it, because I'm really like shy in that area. You know, I don't do things for attention. I'm kind of like, if you don't know, I'm kind of like the person who likes to be behind the scene. People who know me know that, you know, I love supporting people and putting someone out there and making them shine. Whatever I can do to make that person shine, that's what I love to do. So I'm typically behind the scene person. So putting myself on my wall was like, ugh. But, you know, once again, it's just for me to acknowledge the things that I've been doing recently and then where I want to go for the future. So that's what it's for. So you can do something like that. You don't have anything to do anything like big like that. But I needed that size because where I was putting it on the wall. But anyway, so that's what this particular collage is. And I absolutely love it. Now I don't feel as bad when I look at it every day when I come in the room, but because it just does what it's supposed to do. And that is just to be a nice reminder of what I need to be thinking about on a daily basis, and just put a smile on my face. And you guys you have definitely inspired me, and I cannot thank you enough. So that's why I just cannot wait to do these random giveaway gifts to you guys. I literally have been waiting all year to do this for the first 12 days of December. I thought about this last year, and I start saving these gifts, buying these gifts for you guys all year long just to get to this point. So I'm appreciative. I love you guys so much. Have you subscribed yet? If you haven't, don't forget, subscribe, comment anything you want to say. What was your favorite, space in this room? I don't know what my favorite thing is. I absolutely love, and you should love, everything that you put into a space. But if I had to pick one, I'm going to say the one that kind of like started everything, and that is the cabinet. Love this particular corner. And then as I go around the room, I just still love everything about the room. So and if I can suggest anything or recommend anything or ask me how I feel about something, you guys know I would love to do that. I love helping support people in any way that I possibly can. So I love you guys so much. I appreciate you so much. Stay tuned. Watch the next video. And if your name is not drawn each time I do a video every 2 to 3 days, it's okay, because I'm definitely going to leave everybody's names in the bowl. And so you'll still have plenty of chances to win the 12 giveaway gifts that I'm going to give you guys. So anyway, I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll be seeing you in a few days. See you guys. Bye. I got a pair of boots by Kate. I was eyeing these in Bergdorf's for since a couple of months. You guys know I've been trying to find, I always try to get something on sale, discounts, something, the best for less. And I really like these. They're very similar to the style that Bottega did, but I actually and they're actually ironically around the same price, but I preferred these better. Let me show you why. I love these. Look how wide they are at the front. So it kind of still gives me like a little edgier look. Here's the reason why I like these better. 2 reasons. First of all, the heel is slanted in where the Bottegas just go up or down. And then this heel is 2 inches tall where the Bottegas is 2.75, almost 3. Y'all know me. I try to avoid going up to 3 if I possibly can, because I know I just can't walk in heels. So at a 2-inch heel, curved, a little bit more fashionista, and still with the wide front, which is very similar to Bottega. I thought this was a very nice choice for me, and I love the slim leg on it, and it's a really nice soft lambskin.